Welcome to Custodial Custodians Hints, Tips, and Tricks window cleaning series. And today I'm going to talk to you about getting more 5-star and A+ reviews. Now, what you want to do is that at the end of finishing a job, you want to go up to the client, give them a few takeaways, such as, we already did a walkthrough of your house, but we're only human. So if you'd like to go walk around with us, we'd be happy to touch anything up that you see. Or you could say, we stand by our work. In fact, if you're not 100% satisfied with the work, we ask that you don't even pay us today. Something like that. And then you just say, instead of actually asking them directly, what we say is that we are always looking for great 5-star reviews, and you can find us on all the great sites like Yelp, Angie's List, Google Maps. So what you want to do is make sure that you already have an account set up with those platforms, and that way you can even send them a link to those sites. I hope this helps, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to tune in for more. And if you have any questions or comments, any ideas for future videos, go ahead and put that in the comments below.